Hi everyone, this is Arvind from All CPL. Topic for today's session: difference difference between capital string and small string in C sharp. There is no difference between capital string and small string in C sharp. Means technically there is no difference. Capital string is a class in .NET framework in the system namespace. The fully qualified name is system.string, whereas the lowercase string is an alias of system.string. Means system.string is a fully qualified name and capital string is a class and small string is a variable, or we can say small string is a lifestyle. Let's check which example. Okay, in this example, I have created two variables. String 1 having value hello and string 2 having value world. String 1 is a small string and string 2 is capital string. Now we check the type of string 1 as well as string 2. In next line console dot write line string 1 dot get type dot full name and string 2 dot get type dot full name. Let's check the type of string 1 and string 2. Just execute this program and this is the output. System.string for first string and system.string for second string. Means the type is same for both string 1 and string 2. Means technically no difference. Technically both are same. In this example, string 1 return the system.string and string 2 return system.string. A small string is an alias in C# for system.string. So technically there is no difference. It's like int versus system.int32. Means integer int is an alias name of int32. Means either you can write int32 or you can write int. Both are same. As far as guideline, it's generally recommended to use small string anytime you are referring to an object. Example, string place equal to India. Likewise, I think it's generally recommended to use capital string if you need to refer especially to the classes. Example, string place equal to string dot format, and here we define the format and we assign this place value in 0. In .NET, having some other type and each type having alias name. .NET includes different alias name for different types. These are the examples like byte, system.byte is a fully qualified name and byte is alias name. Same way, system.string is a fully qualified name and string is a alias name and the type is class. In same way, system.int62 and the alias name is long. Means either we can write int 64 or long. Long is the alias name of int 64. The conclusion of this video, small string and capital string both are same. The difference is how you use it. Small string is for variable, capital string is for calling other string class method. Like example, string first name is Arvind, string last name is Yadav, string full name equal string dot concat. Here is string is capital and we pass first name and last.